Card Player TV is here at Foxwoods for the World Poker Finals. Day 2 just came to an end, and there are 130 players remaining. Now they're all vying for their share of the $5.5 million prize pool. One of the players still remaining is David Benjamin.
I have a little over 100,000.
So how? Go ahead.
Which is a little under average.
So how did today go for you? Where did you start off today?
I started with 80 or 81,000, so I didn't do too well yet, but I'm counting on tomorrow to do much better.
So what was going on at your table at the end of the night? It looked like there was a little bit of an argument going on between David Fox and Javad Khan.
Well, I think the deal messed up a little bit with the chips, and they went all in on the last hand before the flop. And when he counted the chips down of whatever, I don't know his name, moved all in, he counted his chips, and then he found out that he thought he had the other one covered, so he just moved the chips to him, and suddenly he didn't. So I don't exactly know how they set that up at the end, but it wasn't looking too good.
Would you let something like that happen to you? How can you avoid something like that as a poker player?
Well, I mean, if you pay attention, nobody's going to really take your chips. You just make sure that the dealer takes both chips at the same time, or your chips first and count them down. Yeah, and I think they let the dealer touch both chips in the same time, which already messed everything up.
So you ready to get some rest? You'll come back fresh tomorrow for day 3?
I'm ready to get some rest, go and see my fiancée, because I missed her a lot because she got very unlucky today.
What happened to Erica?
Well, she had set of nines against set of queens on an ace queen nine, nothing she could do. And then after that, players that raises a lot of hands raised with ace king, and she had ace queen, but she was already low in chips, so she made the right decision to raise him back. Nothing special, sometimes poker is, it happens, sometimes it's boring, and sometimes it's painful, but there's so many good times, so she's going to have some good times soon.
We'll be back tomorrow with Day 3 action from Foxwoods here in Connecticut. I'm Lizzie Harrison for Card Player TV.